Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I will show you briefly how to use PowerPoint. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your presentation or PowerPoint software. Now you will find yourself in the home menu. You can start from a blank presentation or you can just click on new and you can search for uh, uh, different designs and multiple designs. Also, you can search for some specific, for example, black. I will just click on black design and it will try to filter out some black or geometrical things or whatever the search is giving you. After you are choosing, for example, a presentation, let's suppose that I like this one. So I'm just going to create and now I will be able to add our and to modify simply my presentation. So here I have already some presets sections. So this is the title section. You can do your presentation title, your name, and your table of content. Also, uh, these are multiple features of Microsoft PowerPoint. So let's have it a blank one so I can show you. There is the insert menu where we can insert things like tables, drawings, images like pictures. You can from your device take pictures, insert some shapes, and there is multiple shapes, for example, uh, this one, and you can add on them and modify them depends on how you want your shape. So let's just have it like that, and you can do whatever you want on your shapes. Also in the inserts, you can insert like buttons with the shapes. Those are some buttons that are making some animations. So whenever you are clicking on it, it will take you to the next slide or depends on your link. There is also the draw section where you can add some drawing. So let's just have it like that, and it will have to draw things, and you can do multiple things with the drawing menu. And there is a design where there are some presets of design or color range of your design. And now this is the transition between a slide to a slide. So whenever I'm going to the presentation mode, it will fade or give the depends on the animation that you give it. And the animation contain it is about your objects that you inserted. And objects, I mean text, uh, draw, pictures, shapes, icon, charts. It can be text box, word art, symbols, whatever. Those are all objects. And then there is the animation, which is, as I said, it is similar to transition, but it is specified for the objects, and then the slide shows. So you see how you are going to present. You have the presentation and then the record. So you can record your presentation from here. So if you want to have it a digital presentation, and those are the review for the language and mistakes, view for your space of working, like having the grades, etc., etc. And basically those are all the features or a general or an overview for the usage of PowerPoint. So thank you for watching and goodbye.